So let's say, for example, we have these exchange rate questions, right? If we have 1.6 Canadian dollars is equal to 1 British pound, how many Canadian dollars is 2 British pounds going to be? Okay. Um, so the way we can go about doing that is, let's just write down those questions quickly. Okay, so we said 1.65 is equal to £1. How much is £2 going to be? And we can use algebra to solve this question, right? So we multiply the top, both sides by x. So remember, whatever you do to the left-hand side, you must do to the right-hand side. So if you're multiplying this side by x, you must multiply that side by x. Okay, right? So we have, and x times 1 is just x, 1.65. Okay. So next what we can do is to get rid of the 2, we multiply both sides by 2. These 2 cancel. So 2 times 1.65, and that gives us 2 times 1.65, 3.3. So x is equal to 3.3. Okay. Okay, so that was the example when x is on this side, right? Let's try an example when x is on the right side of the equation. Okay. So let's say, for example, we have 1.21, which is equal to 1 British pound. So how much is $8 going to be? How much British pounds are we gonna have for $8? So again, we multiply both sides by x, right? Um, these two cancel, so we have x times 1.21 over 8. Which is equal to 1, and we can multiply both sides by 8. These two cancel. X is equal to 1 times 8 is just 8 times 1.21. So we can divide both sides by 1.21. Okay. These two cancel. So x is equal to 8 divided by 1.21, and that gives us 8 divided by 1.21, 6,61. Okay, so that's how we go about doing exchange rate questions. So if let's just check what is the original question. So if 1.21 US dollars is equal to 1 British pound, how much British pounds are going to be, how much British pounds are we going to have if we have $8? And we can see using algebra, we're going to have 6.61 British pounds.